Today, we're going to unravel the world of truck permits. Whether you're a seasoned hauler or just starting out, understanding truck permits is crucial for keeping your wheels rolling legally across the United States. First off, what exactly are truck permits? Simply put, these are legal authorizations that allow trucks to operate within certain regulations and jurisdictions. They make sure that trucks comply with size, weight, and safety standards. Without the right permits, you could face hefty fines or even have your vehicle impounded. And we all know that nobody wants that kind of hassle. There are several types of truck permits, and which ones you need depends on your route, load, and vehicle type. If you're crossing state lines, you'll likely need an International Registration Plan permit, which ensures you're paying your fair share of road taxes in each state you travel through. Then there's the International Fuel Tax Agreement permit, which keeps your fuel use in check across multiple states. Both are vital for interstate trucking. Sometimes your load might be a bit out of the ordinary. Maybe it's oversized or a bit heavier than usual. In these cases, you'll need oversized or overweight permits. These permits vary from state to state, so you'll want to plan ahead. Some states even require you to have an escort vehicle for particularly large loads. In addition to these, you might also need temporary trip or fuel permits if you're entering a state where you're not registered under IRP or IFTA. These short-term permits allow you to operate legally without full registration, which can be useful for one-time hauls or special deliveries. It's always wise to check ahead of time to avoid disruptions. Now you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of paperwork. And you're right. Getting these permits can be time-consuming and confusing. That's where FMCSA Registration.com comes into play. As the leading online service provider for the transportation industry, we can help you navigate the complex world of FMCSA registration compliance. From motor carriers to truck drivers and brokers, we've got you covered. Visit us at fmcsaregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Truck permits might seem like a daunting topic, but they are essential for safe and legal operations. Remember, being proactive about permits not only keeps you compliant, but also protects your business from unnecessary fines and delays. So don't overlook this vital part of your trucking journey. Thank you for tuning in to this video, brought to you by FMCSAregistration.com. If you want to learn more about trucking industry tips and compliance, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Safe travels, and see you next time.